Alright, picture this. You want to know what's going on underwater. Like how deep it is, what's on the riverbed or ocean floor, all that hidden stuff. That's what bathymetric surveying does. It's basically mapping the underwater world so we can understand lakes, rivers, and oceans better. And trust me, places like Vancouver, BC, they're totally counting on this to keep their waters healthy and safe. Now here's the cool part. Old school methods were kinda slow and messy, with boats and guesswork, but today, drones equipped with super smart sonar and AI are totally changing the game. These drones zoom over the water, sending out sound waves that bounce back to create crazy detailed 3D maps with pinpoint accuracy, like 2 or 3 centimeters kind of precise. And yeah, it's way faster, safer, and way more eco-friendly too. This tech picks up on everything. The riverbeds, underwater rocks, plants, you name it, helping with flood prevention, construction, and even irrigation planning for farms. That's where Farmonaut steps in. We mix satellite images, drone data, and powerful AI to help farmers and planners make the smartest decisions without breaking a sweat. Imagine getting real-time alerts on your crops or knowing exactly where water's needed, all in one place on your phone or laptop. Plus, our cloud platform keeps everything safe and easy to share. So whether you're a city planner fixing bridges or a farmer optimizing irrigation, you've got the info at your fingertips. So yeah, drone-based bathymetric surveying isn't just science. It's a lifesaver for communities, nature, and agriculture alike. And with Farmonaut's tools backing it all up, managing land and water sustainably, totally doable and honestly, kinda exciting.